Morning guys, it's Friday, it's Barkspeed time. It's 7:30, I'm just leaving my house, but guess what? It's the Welding Club Christmas special! So our diesel heater has been running for 2.5 hours and the temperature in here started at 10.2 degrees and is now 15.4 degrees and it is t-shirt weather. It is t-shirt weather. And today we are tackling the nose. We're giving the Mini a nose job with Dr. David and Dr. Keith.
COVID recovery.
COVID David, we're 2 meters apart and we're sticking to it.
Plenty on now.
I'm holding my breath now because I'm near David.
Plenty on.
He's daubing it on.
Daubing it good. Right. Done.
Done. Jobs are good. And so I'm just doing a quick update because me and Kobo have cracked on and we have acid etched and filler primered the whole of the front of the car, and we've also done all the way round to here, and now we are working on the back of the car, getting the lights and bits done here. They from here we had a new panel put in all the way along because it was so rusty, so we decided to put a new piece in all the way along, repair piece. The other thing as well is at some stage this has been tanked in this corner and was pushed in, and we've knocked it and formed it all back out again when we were putting that panel in. Also, the old diesel heater's doing its thing and it's at 19.6. One little accident that's happened is I burnt my hand on that pipe there by accident and it made me jump. Anyway, bye for now. Tell the lovely people what you're doing, Dave. Trying to fill
the bottom of the wing.
The bottom of the wing. Ladies and gentlemen, a master craftsman at work. Right. Kobo's just gone. What a cool day we have had. This is now all in acid etch primer and then primer filler all the way round and all up that side. We have had a proper day today, the whole day. It's now night time, but yeah, that is good. That's really good. He's enjoyed himself and so have I. Right, so that is a wrap for this year. We've come on leaps and bounds this year. We've had Bodywork Club and we've also had Welding Club, and it's now Rubbing Down Club. But yeah, we've done a lot, me and Kobo. So everything in there, I'm really pleased with that. And I'm also pleased that I've got 45 viewers, which is even better. But thank you if you've subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, if you could, because it does actually say that 90% of the people watching my videos haven't subscribed. So that would be quite nice if you could subscribe. Okay? Anyway, Have a lovely Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll catch you in the new year. Cheers, bye for now.